Hello ladies, welcome back. And today I dive straight into the topic of the Hara Hachi Bu. And the Hara Hachi Bu is such a gentle way of looking after your body and losing weight. The beautiful news is that the Okinawan people in Japan are following the Hara Hachi Bu, and they experience a much lower rate of heart disease, of cancer and strokes. Make sure you stay with me till the very end of this video, because I'm going to show you the 4 exact steps you need to take. And also the crucial part is what to do after you finished your meal, and then it's difficult not to grab that extra snack, so just stay tuned. So with the Hara Hachi Bu, we are going to eat until we're 80% full, and we're going from storing to burning, from the store mode into the burning of fat. So first off, I want to say, if you eat lots of junk food, eat lots of sugar, then obviously that's not going to be very helpful. So how are we going to put this into practice? There are 4 steps we need to take. Step 1, downsize your plates. And believe me, it does work. Your brain will also give you the signal like you're full, because your plate is empty. Step 2, banish those distractions. And with that I mean, turn off your computer, turn off your telephone, don't watch television. Just go and sit at the table and just be mindful of what you're eating. Step 3, sit at the table and connect. So when we're sitting at our table, just chew your food well, have a nice conversation. And this ensures that it takes more time for you to finish your plate. And you enjoy your company and you lower your stress levels. Step 4, the 20-minute pause. It takes 20 minutes for your body to recognize that you actually have eaten enough. So those 20 minutes are very important for your body. So now we come to the crucial bit, because I told you before, the time that we are having after our dinner, that is usually the time that we are quickly going to the fridge or the cupboards, and find that biscuit or find that chocolate. And the best way to do that is via my F.E.E.L method. The F.E.E.L method stands for the 4 letters F.E.E.L, and F for find the feeling, E for exhale, the next E for exchange, and the L for love your body. I start with F, find the feeling. Really stand still of what you're feeling after your dinner. So do you feel a little bored? Do you feel like you're going to fall back in the habit? Are you feeling slightly stressed, or are you feeling relaxed? You really concentrate on that feeling. The next E stands for exhale. First we take a deep breath in, let your stomach relax, and you just take a deep breath in for about 4 seconds. And then exhale for 6 seconds. And this is a sign for your body to relax. It's a peaceful, calm feeling, and it lowers down your cortisol levels. The next E is standing for exchange. So this exchange can be exchange of food. Let's say instead of a biscuit, you get yourself a carrot or something else healthy, maybe some sunflower seeds, just a small amount. Or you can change your feeling, like from sitting inside, you go and have a little walk outside in your garden, or even to just go outside to the end of the road and come back. Is exchange. The exchange of what you feel or what you eat. The L stands for love your body. So this is standing still, that you are now nourishing your body and you are doing something good for your future. Just enjoy and be conscious of what you're doing is good for you. You are doing it. Love your body. And there you have it. The 4 steps you need to take for the Hara Hachi Bu. Smaller plates, banish those distractions, eat mindfully and have a nice talk. And then also the very important thing, to have the 20-minute pause afterwards. The 20-minute pause, you can really be aware with your body by using the F.E.E.L method like I just explained. And hereby I come to the end of the video. If you would like more guidance on feeling calmer, I got a beautiful guide. It's called the 5 Rituals for Instant Calm, the pocket guide. And you can find that here in the link or on my website, of course. And thank you so much for watching. Be exceptionally kind to your body today. And I hope to see you in my next video. So subscribe to stay updated. Bye, ladies.